In this video, I will teach you how to automatically set contacts as non-marketing using workflows in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your workflows. You can find them by going to the automation and clicking onto the workflows right here. Once you're there, you can actually create a new workflow or use an existing one. So on my case, let's choose right here this one and then open it. Once you have opened it, you just need to pick a trigger that determines when a contact should become non-marketing, like life cycle stages, contacts, deal loss, and the likes. So for this, choose right here the trigger. On my case, I'll input right here that this enrolls contacts that meets this condition, which is a form submission. After that, you just need to add a non-marketing action. Click onto this plus icon right here if you have it ready. Now, once you're there, you just need to get the contact management action and then set the marketing contact status and set it as non-marketing. Confirm and review your changes. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.